Good morning, little star. Welcome back to Tiny Talk Time. Today is going to be so much fun because, guess what? It's playtime. Yes, we're going to play, jump, and run together while learning new English verbs. Are you ready?
Yay! I love playtime, Miss Lily. What are we going to play today? Hide and seek? Or maybe soccer?
Oh, Leo, I know you love soccer, but today we'll learn how to say what we do when we play. In English, we use verbs, action words. Can you say verb?
Verb. Like jump, run, play?
Exactly, Leo. Those are perfect examples. Let's start with one of my favorites, jump. Can you say it with energy?
Jump.
Wow, that was a big jump. When we say jump, we move our bodies up and down. Everyone listening, can you jump too? Ready? 1, 2, 3, jump! Great job! Now, another verb we use a lot when we play is run. Leo, do you like to run?
Oh yes, Miss Lily. I run fast, like a cheetah.
A cheetah! That's amazing! Cheetahs are the fastest animals on land. So when you say run, you can imagine yourself moving quickly. Say it with me. Run.
Run!
Perfect. Let's put both together now. Jump and run. Repeat after me. I jump and I run.
I jump and I run.
Wonderful, Leo. And you at home, can you try? Stand up and move your body. I jump and I run. Now, let's learn another one. Play. That's an easy one, right?
Yeah, I play with my friends every day.
Exactly. You can play soccer, play with toys, play games, so many things. Repeat after me. I play.
I play.
Very good. And remember, play means having fun while doing something you enjoy. Let's make a little song with our verbs. Are you ready, Leo?
A song! Let's do it!
Singing happily. I jump, I run, I play all day. With my friends, I laugh and say, learning English is so fun. Jump and run, everyone.
That's so fun, Miss Lily. Can we sing it again?
Of course. Everyone at home, sing with us this time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I jump, I run, I play all day. With my friends, I laughed and say, learning English is so fun. Jump and run, everyone. Wonderful. You all sound amazing.
Miss Lily, I have a question. What if I want to say what my friends do? Like, they jump or they play?
Excellent question, Leo. When we talk about other people like they or we just use the same verb. They jump, they play, they run. Easy, right?
Oh, so I can say we play together or they run fast.
Exactly, Leo. You're learning so quickly. Now, let's try something fun. I'll say an action and you do it, okay?
Okay, I'm ready.
Jump, run, spin.
Whoa! I'm dizzy!
Oh no, careful. That's what happens when we spin too much. Now, freeze.
Miss Lily, can I move now?
Not yet. Freeze means don't move. Now, relax.
Whew, that was fun.
You did a great job, Leo. And you little listeners, you were amazing too. Today, we learned 3 important verbs: jump, run, and play. Can you say them one more time?
Jump, run, play.
Perfect. Now let's use them in sentences. Repeat after me. I jump high.
I run fast.
I play with my friends.
I jump high. I run fast. I play with my friends.
Wonderful. Every time you play outside, you can say what you're doing in English. That's how we learn while having fun.
Miss Lily, can I make my own sentence?
Of course. Go ahead, Leo.
I run like a superhero.
That's a great one. You do run like a superhero. And remember, everyone listening, you can be creative too. Describe what you do when you play. Before we finish, let's do one last challenge, the verb game. I'll say a word, and you tell me if it's an action, a verb, or not. Ready?
Ready.
Jump.
That's a verb.
Correct, Leo. Ball.
Not a verb. It's a thing.
Excellent. Run.
Verb.
Very good, Leo. You're a verb master now.
Yay! That was awesome, Miss Lily.
I'm so proud of you, Leo. And I'm proud of all our friends listening too. You learned how to say jump, run, and play. 3 powerful verbs that help you talk about your favorite activities. Don't forget, every time you move, you can say it in English. Try it during your playtime. I jump, I run, I play.
I'll say it every day.
That's the spirit, Leo. Thank you, everyone, for joining Tiny Talk Time today. Remember, learning English is fun when you play, move, and smile.
See you next time, friends.
Bye-bye, little stars. Keep shining, keep learning, and don't forget to jump, run, and play.